Okay, good afternoon everybody. We are gathered here this afternoon in my chamber to witness the solemnization of marriage of Jonathan Diaz of the Ville Subdivision San Nicolas City of San Fernando and Maribeth M. Ranches, also of the Ville Subdivision San Nicolas Tagulos City of San Fernando. May I remind you, Jonathan and Maribeth, that the ceremony is not just about signing a marriage proposal, which you can later throw away. This written law results in a permanent union between you, Jonathan, and Maribeth as husband and wife. Is that clear, Jonathan? Is that clear, Maribeth? May I also remind the parents and sponsors of your roles here. That is to guide and assist Jonathan and Maribeth in their marriage. Now, Jonathan and Maribeth, answer the following questions truthfully. Jonathan, did you come here voluntarily without being forced, coerced, or intimidated by anybody? Maribeth, did you come here voluntarily without being forced, coerced, or intimidated by anybody? Jonathan, did you freely come here to manifest your intention to love and serve Maribeth as your spouse? Maribeth, did you freely come here to manifest your intention to love and serve Jonathan as your spouse? Jonathan, are you giving yourself to Maribeth as her husband to love and respect her? Maribeth, are you giving yourself to Jonathan as his wife to love and respect him? Jonathan, do you accept Maribeth as your wife? Maribeth, do you accept Jonathan as your husband? Now, Jonathan, you wear the ring of Maribeth while saying, wear this ring, wear this ring as a symbol of my love and loyalty to you. You will say, Maribeth, I accept this ring as a symbol of your love and loyalty to me. Now wear Jonathan's ring while saying, Maribeth, wear this ring as a symbol of my love and loyalty to you. You will say, Jonathan, I accept this ring as a symbol of your love and loyalty to me. Before the ceremony ends, may I know if anybody here is against the union of Jonathan and Maribeth? May tumututol po ba?
Wala po.
Now, by virtue of the power vested in me by law as the presiding judge of this court in the city of San Fernando, I hereby legalize your union and declare you, Jonathan P. Yap and Maribeth M. Ranches, as husband and wife. Congratulations to both of you. You may now kiss Maribeth, Jonathan. You sign this as husband and wife. I love it. Ito. Wala nang kawalan.
Sakal na yan. Sakal na yan.
Have you signed all the other
Nandun.
Madam, I judge, pwede ko pa-picture sila.